I think in this area, this is really where Google jumps ahead or where it wins out, because it is built from the ground up to be a collaborative product. From Hangouts to Google Docs and Sheets and Slides, if you want to create a document or a presentation or a spreadsheet together with a group of people, whether they're in the same location or spread throughout the world, there is really no better product than Google Drive and its associating productivity tools. So I think most of you who've experienced that sort of live collaboration will understand that, and even customers who are big Microsoft heavy users that I've come across will say to me often, you know, we'll create it in Google Slides or we'll create it in Google Docs, and then one person will download it at the end and sort of finish it off in Word or Excel or PowerPoint. And I think that that's quite interesting, that you've got organizations that are big Microsoft users, but they're still in the back end using products like Google Drive. I think it would be unfair of me not to mention Microsoft Teams when talking about innovation and collaboration within the office space. And I think this kind of comes back to the approach of the two organizations that we were talking about earlier. And Microsoft has obviously come from a very, very traditional background. They've got a huge amount of tools and apps that people already use. And that has kind of hampered them a little bit, because they can't really make massive changes to the tool set, or what's going to happen is their users are going to become frustrated or upset or angry that they've made this huge change. And so what they've kind of done, which is quite clever, they've brought out this other product called Microsoft Teams, and that appears to be, from what I've seen, their kind of innovation hub. This is where we can make huge changes and huge innovations within the collaboration sort of space. And I've seen some of the demos of the new versions of Teams, and it does look extremely impressive with live collaboration and some interesting video conferencing solutions and things like that. And I think it will be interesting to see where Microsoft go with that solution. And I think that's their answer to try to compete with Google in the collaboration sort of space. So I'm interested to see where Microsoft go with that, and how Google respond to it as well.